Okay, today we'll be looking at this Fleetguard diesel oil filter, number LF16035. And I got this on eBay for $18.99 with free shipping. So let's get started. It looks like it have a,
You gotta
get nice and tight. Get your inner here, filtration of 99 here. Okay, so here she is. She's a big one. Big, long filter. And let's start with the date code. 203651824. Made in Mexico. She has 8 inlet holes. And I see a metal core with louvers. Nitro rubber O-ring gasket. It's on there okay. It's not going to just fall off. It takes a little effort to get it off. Yeah, this is a big oil filter. Yeah, good size of that. It's pretty long. And it didn't come in a box. It came wrapped in this plastic here. And I got it on eBay because it was cheaper for me just to buy one on eBay. If you're going to buy a bunch of these, you'd probably want to, get them somewhere else, because the offset on the shipping. But for me, it was just cheaper to buy it on eBay with free shipping. Well, you know what? Let's open this baby up and see what she looks like inside. Okay, here she is cut open, and let's get her weight. She weighs a whopping 22.9 ounces. Wow. Okay, how about the base plate? 6.8 ounces. And here's the base plate. You guys already seen this. It doesn't have too many threads here. It's got like about, well, it's average. It's about 4 grooves here. About an average size. That's nice and fine. And filter media. This is a big one. There's no anti-drain back valve with this filter. So it's just mounted this way. It's got this little rubber adapter here. Goes between the filter element and the base plate. And I counted 50 pleats. Got a metal crimp seam. And there's just a little space here, but that ain't bad. It's nice and clean. Nice metal end caps. There's also no bypass valve. And this is like a thick media. It's well, I'll give you some information on this media. It's called a microglass synthetic filter media with a micron rating. I've seen it said 100% at 30 microns and 25 microns absolute. And this filter media they call it a stratopore filter media. It's layered. So we're going to see about that. It almost feels like a cloth. But when we cut it open, I'll see if we can see if it's layered or not. But yeah, it's really thick. I don't know if it's got a backing or if it's just this thick. I've never opened one of these up. But the material is really nice. I mean, it feels nice. Yeah. What else do I know about this? That's about it on that. Let's see the can. The can is a really thick can. Oh, we've got coil spring. Keep everything nice and tight. Check this can out. It's like 0.7. I was getting 0.7, 0.8 millimeters. It's a thick can. Real thick. Yeah. I mean, you could use this for some kind of storage. The thing is big. The size of this baby. Yeah, so this looks, this is nice with the there. Put it in here. Let's see how tight this is. Yeah, you got a little spring action. Yeah, so cool filter media. Never seen one of these. I say we cut this baby open, see how long she is, and see what kind of layer this is. If it's in, maybe it's in layers. Like the Fram Ultras are, they have it in layer. They have 2 layers, I believe. Yeah, let's cut her open and see what she looks like. Be right back. Oh, I almost forgot. Forgot to get the width measurement here. She's a big one. 5.17 inches. And this way she's 3.14 inches. Overall, oh, can't even stretch it out hardly that long. 5.62 inches. Okay, be right back. Okay, here she is all laid out. And she's just shy of 72 inches. About 71 3/4. I cut a little piece out here to test. Here she's out. Okay, and here's the seam. And it has a metal backing to it. Let's see if we can see this. Yeah, it's a metal screen backing. Filter media feels really nice. I cut a piece of it off. It's almost got, you can see like little holes in it. Hopefully the camera can pick it up. You know, it's like quilted northern. You know, I don't know. It's funny. It's probably the nicest looking filter media I ever seen. Yeah, this is nice stuff. Okay, let's look at this. The rest of the stuff. The can itself weighs like right on a borderline of 8.5, 8.4 ounces. And so you can see the metal backing here. And I was trying to take this apart, and it actually does come apart. Let's see if we can get this on camera here. It's got a stickiness to it though. So you can see it is like layered with something. See it? I bet you they got a lot of these, just layers and layers of this stuff here. Or maybe it's just one layer of this. Yeah, it's one. It's pretty strong stuff too. It is. Yeah, it's pretty strong. Okay, this is a little bit weaker, but you can see more layers. Yeah, it's got a bunch of layers. This must be what they call that Stratapore filter media, which gives it a good filtration. There's an article I read about this filter media. I'm going to post it in the description so you guys can look at it if you guys want. It's pretty interesting. And let's see. This guy is huge. It's all well made. See when I was cutting it, the metal backing there was fraying. But yeah, it's all well made. It's a well made filter. You know, if I had a diesel truck, you know, diesel engine that needed a filter, you know, this one fit. definitely probably run this guy. What I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna compare this filter to a Napa Platinum just to see what the differences are. Yeah, so I give this filter one of these. Nice filter. So I think I'll wrap this video up. If you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching and take care.